Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad. Start by cooking and cooling your chicken, then shred or dice to preferred size. Chop crunchy add-ins and herbs while you whisk a dressing with mayo, lemon, salt, and pepper. Combine gently to keep texture, then chill briefly to meld flavors. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving on bread, greens, or with crackers for a quick, satisfying meal. Gather simple ingredients: cooked chicken, crunchy add-ins, herbs, mayo, and lemon. I like 2 cups of chicken and 5-cup mayonnaise to start, then add 2 tablespoons lemon juice for brightness. Mix in celery, onion, or almonds for texture, and fresh herbs for lift. Season slowly with salt and pepper so flavors build without overpowering. This approach keeps the salad balanced and easy to customize for families. When combining ingredients, fold rather than stir to preserve chicken texture and prevent mushy salad. A brief chill of about 30 minutes lets flavors marry and improves overall taste. If you prefer creamier salad, add extra mayo or a splash of milk, and if you want lighter results, use Greek yogurt in place of some mayo. Always taste and tweak seasonings so the salad matches your preferred balance and mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.